The Lumia 830 is Nokia's last mid-range effort before its entire smartphone business was gobbled up and rebranded as Microsoft Lumia. Nevertheless, the handset will be updated to the unifying Windows 10 when it lands later this year, so it is far from irrelevant still. Lumia 830 is hardly a spec'd-out device when it comes to the main mobile components, as it features a lowly Snapdragon 400 chipset, 1GB of RAM, and a 720p display only, but Nokia has thrown in a couple of perks that set it apart not only in the Windows Phone crowd, but also from mainstream Androids. Can a 10MP optically stabilized camera, and Nokia's rich recording with surround sound audio be enough to prevent the Lumia 830 from sinking into oblivion before Windows 10 hits? Let's see. In the box. Nokia AC61.5A wall charger. Nokia charging and data cable. Warranty and information leaflets. Just like iOS, Windows Phone doesn't let third-party browsers spoil a veritable monopoly. The mobile Internet Explorer 11 browser has been updated in WP 8.1 to be faster and with tons of new features, though. Internet Explorer's new options include an incognito mode that does not store browser history, reading mode that leaves only the text of a web page in a nicely formatted document, and support for unlimited tabs. You also get the option to go back and forward in pages by just swiping left and right like on some other mobile browsers we know, which is neat. Another option that is particularly nice is pinning web pages to the start screen. The pages then appear as live tiles showing you the page in its latest, most up-to-date state, serving as a living and breathing bookmark. The browsing experience itself is very smooth, and you can scroll around and zoom in and out of pages without lag. The Lumia 830 supports both a pentaband 4G LTE modem, or speedy 42 Mbps HSPA+ download speeds, depending on the carrier you are on, and its network speed setup. Other connectivity options include Wi-Fi B/G/N, Bluetooth 4.0, AGPS, DLNA and NFC.